future boyfriend. Kung gusto dyan lang na magkuyanta, sige i-replay lang ming kanta paminawa.
Let me tell 'em I love how you put it on. Got the only key know how to turn it on. The way you never lie my ear, the only words I wanna hear. Baby, take it slow so we can last slow, last slow, last slow, last slow, last slow. That's why I need your body.
Because we're gonna shop for the $30 shopping
outfit challenge,
like dress me up challenge. Dress me up. I was in H&M today. I got H&M here. It's a gown or something like that. By Salman. Yeah, but because we're planning to attend a ball. I don't know when is that, but yeah. I was looking for, because I was thinking about something to like that disco challenge this girl, to dress up this girl. And it's so freaking hard. By the time that I figure it out, it's over $30. What the heck?
I've already planned for mine, so what I did last night,
Vlogging or vlogging?
what I did last night is I went to the internet and shop, like browse every store.
You know what I did last night? I just thought that it looks great, you know?
Okay.
So it's easy. It's easier.
Okay.
But it's really hard, guys. Ang shoes palang gaan, Besh.
No, it's okay.
No, the shoes is like 20.
You need to buy a shoes.
Diba whole body good na?
Yes.
Oh my god. Maybe I'm gonna buy
Basically, top button and wear outfit challenge.
and accessories if you want.
Yeah, or accessories.
Look what she got. I got that also, but I didn't vlog it because I was so hungry. But yes, like she didn't eat since yesterday. Like seriously.
That's how I'm waiting for this to come.
Oh my god. And I didn't wait for her because I was like dying. And I ate like 5 times yesterday. Ang sexy niya, oh, diba? Oh. She's so girly today because like most of the time she's not like girly, she's boyish, but now so girly. You look like Korean. Like, are you Korean? Really? Kog mo. We're going to we're going to find a spot for our OOTD pictures. Yes. And then, see, diba, nag-heels kami. Kami nakita na sa mga tao, kaya nagka-winter clothes man mi.
Kaya ulan man good.
Kaya ulan man. Like, we're like sisters. I don't know, we did not sabot actually. But, oh my god, it's just like, I thought I thought she's gonna wear something boyish thing like that. Because she's just like that. But now she's so girly, so I was so shocked. And yes, we're just walking now, and we'll find this freaking thing so that we can order na lang. Okay, we found it. Bye. So we're gonna do the challenge now. We're at Kmart right now.
Let's start.
It's like $30. Dress me up, and I dress her up for $30. Seriously. I think I'm gonna do the summer na lang because it's easier. Whatever.
Okay.
Goodbye. Because I need to ask you, what's your freaking size? Size 6? No, for the short. You're size 8. For the short. You sure? Pareho tag size, di ba? Okay. Good luck. Give it a thumbs up. Come on, girl. Thumbs up, girl. Short. Done. So it's like 8 totals. It's basically 15, but yes, I got this. And I need to go to H&M because I have that freaking shirt for her. Now I need a freaking sandal for her. Hi guys, so Jen is still at Kmart, and me, I off to H&M, and I'm almost done with this challenge. I bought her a shoes, and then shorts, and then this top that I'm going to buy at H&M. And yeah.
Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. He makes it feel like nobody else, nobody else. But he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him.
We can't stop laughing because our heels is so taas. We keep saying when it's
Tipi.
yeah, it's TP, we'll like say PUGONG BESH, PUGONG. You video me. Like I'll video you. Like when the like that is like that, and then the heels is so long, like PUGONG BESH, PUGONG. Diba? Oh. Nabiyan. Yan, nakalagan BESH. Saan? Saan yung pagdagat? Ay, kaya gisirada na yun, May. Ano dyan? Naka na yun, ah. Tungod yun is heels yun. Tungod yun is heels. Tinagin mo apa. Tinagin. Kanina.
Tinagin mo apa.
Are you drunk? Wala dyan nakapas, Besh.
Pointy bigyan akong heels.
Yeah, because it is pointy. And then mine, it's not pointy, but it's so freaking long. It's like 6 inch. I'm like joining a freaking pageant, you know? Oh, it's still there. Oh, it's still there, but it's already closed, so we don't have any chance. Look at the joy. Higiyobo, Besh. Hoy, mga-apre pa, magod na. Huwag mo sila nag-going lagi. Hi guys, finally we survived of all the hills, what we call this, problem and all the struggles that we, yeah, all the killer hills, all the struggles. And now we're in Hazel Tea shop. So there's like a popcorn and then what's this? It's a
Green apple green tea.
yeah,
Green
whatever.
apple green tea.
I tried it and I don't really know what to react. And this is I got some coffee and I'm addict already. I'm addict ready to coffee like 4 days ago. Yeah. Hi guys, we just got home here sa balay ni Jen. Sa iyang kwarto.
Can you nap?
So,
The girly how I look outside, this is how I sit at home.
yes, yes. We're gonna do the challenge now, the like dress me up challenge, shopping dress me up challenge. We're gonna do it right now. So, yes.